Canada's most franchised restaurant, Tim Hortons. Their beautiful food, donut. Today I am presenting you how to make a donut and a Timbits. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. From this recipe, we can make 14 donuts and 14 Timbits. Milk 240 ml. Bring to boil to 110° Fahrenheit. Transfer to a bowl 1 teaspoon of sugar. Dissolve it. Add 4.5 teaspoon of yeast. Combine well, set aside, let it become frothy. Onto a bowl 540 grams of flour, half teaspoon of salt. Combine well. We can melt some butter, 85 grams, onto a different bowl. Crack 2 eggs. Whisk well. 50 grams of sugar and whisk, let the sugar dissolve. Add the yeast. It should be frothy, otherwise it doesn't work. Combine well. Add the flour mix and make into a dough. Transfer to a clean surface and knead the dough at least for 10 minutes. Make it a soft, smooth dough like this. Onto a bowl, add some oil. Transfer the dough. Cover it and rest for 1 hour on a warm place. Test some flour onto a surface. Remove the dough. Push the dough down. Remove from the edges and take out from the bowl. Transfer to the flour dusted surface. Dust more flour on the top. Press with hand gently. Using a rolling pin, roll it out thicker. Using a cutter or a glass, cut into a donut shape. You will get for the stuffing donut like this. If you like to have a ring donut, cut it again and you will get a ring donut, and the centerpiece will be the Timbits. Transfer everything to a tray. Lay it down. Cover it with a kitchen towel and rest for 30 minutes. Let it proof. When you fry the donut, the most important step is the temperature of the oil. Should not be too high, it should not be too low. It should be on the perfect edge of frying. Otherwise it gets more color, then you won't get the nice texture. Let's fry the Timbits first. Beautiful golden color. Flip it. When it's really golden color, remove from the oil, transfer to a bowl lined with kitchen towel. Let's fry the ring donuts the same way what we done with the Timbits. Golden color and transfer to the same bowl lined with kitchen towel. Now fry the donut for stuffing. Same way, golden color, you will get like this. The donut is ready. Timbits is ready. And donut for stuffing is also ready. Let's try it out. See inside how good it is. Now we will try it. Beautiful, soft, great texture for the donut. The sugar level is very low. I like this way. If If you like it more, please increase the sugar, or you can give a coating like chocolate or sugar coating. You do the coating, it will be more sweeter, like you guys. But if you like this recipe, please try it. If you like it, please share it, comment it, and show your support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. Transfer all the Timbits to a bowl. Test some icing sugar. Mix like this and enjoy the ice coated donuts.